Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how to create an image generator with Python and the Stable Diffusion. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, what is Stable Diffusion? Is a powerful text to image generation model. We will use the diffusers library by Hugging Face, which make it easy to interact with the Stable Diffusion models. So what we have to install the packages, that is diffusers, transformers, accelerate and spicy. After that we have to go with the torch, torch division, torch audio. Okay, and install pytorch appropriate for your system CPU or the GPU accordingly. Okay, so first of all you have to get the Hugging Face SS token. So how we get this? So here we have the Hugging Face. Just log in with this account. Here we have the tokens. Let's click on that one and you have to create a new token and just use it. Okay, next step, that is the code. So here we have the code for that one, and here we go with our code. So first of all, diffusers and the torch, and this is a function for generating the image. So first of all, load the Stable Diffusion pipeline. So I'm using the Stable Diffusion pipeline. So here you can see that we load the Stable Diffusion pipeline pre-trained model, provide a text prompt describing the image you want. The pipeline returns a pill image that you want to save locally. So here you can see that. So load the Stable Diffusion pipeline. So here we have the use float 32 on the CPU. So here I'm using the CPU, not the GPU. Okay, set to false if you don't have the token. So I have the token, so I'm using that one. Generate the image. So pipe prompt, so image is 0. Save the image at your local machine, and then what should the prompt? Prompt will be a futuristic cityscape at sunset digital art. Okay, and then generate the prompt. If I go and check my folder, so here you can see that it will generate this cityscape. Okay, and I will show you the terminal also. So this will run like this, and it will images save to the output.png. So this is the whole process of generating the images using the AI models. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.